Hi loves, thank you so much for coming back and checking out this video. So today I am going to share with you guys how I do my 100% rice water wash day routine. Rice has a lot of really good benefits for hair. It has a lot of really rich vitamins and nutrients like folic acid, magnesium, niacin, vitamin B, C, and E. All of the really great nutrients that your hair needs to thrive. Rice water is said to increase the elasticity in your hair and also aid in faster hair growth. Now, if you're not convinced yet, let me tell you guys about the Yao Women from a Chinese village of Wanglo. All of the women in that village has an average hair length of 55 inches or longer, you guys. So they have super long hair, and they believe that the secret to their long, beautiful hair is the usage of rice water. They rinse their hair with rice water. So there are different ways that you can prepare rice water for rinsing. Basically, how you rinse your hair with rice water is after you shampoo and condition your hair, you put the rice water on top of your hair, allow it to sit on your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then after that you go ahead and rinse it, and basically you're done. You can go ahead and style your hair as usual, and the benefits of the rice water will still be in your hair even after you wash your hair. So there are different types of ways that you can prepare rice water for rinsing, and fermenting your rice water is said to be the best way because during the fermentation period, the rice water pH level gets to be very close to the pH level of your own hair, and on top of that, it also releases a chemical called pitera, which is supposed to be good for cell regeneration. So to prepare rice water, you can add about a cup of rice to a bowl or a jar, and then add about a cup of water, cover the rice, and leave it for about 1 to 2 days. So you will know that your rice water is ready when it starts to smell a little bit sour. So when it starts to smell a little bit sour, you can then go ahead and rinse your hair with it. However, if you're not ready to use it at the same time, you can just leave it in the fridge, and that will stop the fermentation from going on any further, and you can go ahead and grab it and use it to rinse your hair when you're ready to do so. But today I am going to show you guys another unique way that I incorporate rice water in my hair regimen. Right now I'm gonna start with pre-pooing. So I use sweet almond oil throughout my hair, and I'm just basically gently detangling my hair. So after I'm done with that, I'm gonna be using this Fermented Rice Herbal Shampoo. It's by Royal Herbal Organic. So this fermented rice shampoo has like really simple ingredients, you guys. All it has in here is fermented brown rice water, aloe vera, peppermint, neem, rosemary, and Germol Plus. So that's all it has. So that's what the consistency looks like. It looks very different from other shampoos that I have used. It doesn't have any salts in there, so it doesn't foam up, so you're not gonna see it lathering at all. It feels very moisturizing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it straight to my scalp. I'm gonna start with it in my scalp, and I'm gonna rub my scalp with it. It has peppermint in there, so right when it touches your scalp, it has like a tingly feeling. It tingles up, which feels really cool. So I'm just gonna scrub my scalp with it, and then bring the product throughout the entire hair. Usually I don't do this. I never bring shampoo throughout my entire hair. I usually just rub my scalp with it and wash it out. But this shampoo, I kept on getting more shampoo and more because it didn't feel stripping at all. It felt really soft, and it kind of like separated my hair and made my hair very manageable. It just made the hair feel really soft, and it just made it super manageable. Like, look at that. I was so surprised. Like, I seriously put like so many pumps in one section, which I regret doing because I use a lot of the product, you know, but I felt like I wanted to use more. It felt so nice. So right when I finished with each section, I plaited it And then the instructions said that you should leave it on here for about 30 minutes. So after I finished putting the shampoo throughout the entire hair, I let it didn't say you should cover it or add heat to it. It didn't say any of that. So I left it just as is for about 30 minutes, and the entire time it was on my head, it was tingling because of the peppermint that it has in there. So after I finished, after the 30 minutes, I went ahead, washed my hair, and then I'm gonna be following up with Fermented Rice Hydrate Honey Rose Mint Conditioner. So it says that you can use it to co-wash your hair or to condition your hair. This is what my hair looked like after I applied the conditioner. Look at that. Like, not every product can get my 4C hair to look like that. It felt so hydrated, and I can easily detangle my hair with this with no problem at all. I was just like, wow, that was unexpected. So it just felt so good. So after that, I washed it out, and this is the result. The hair felt really nice. It didn't feel stripped at all. It felt really good. So now I'm gonna move on to moisturizing my hair. Right now I am spraying my DIY leave-in conditioner. If you haven't seen that, I will leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. And then I followed that with sweet almond oil, and then I topped that with whipped shea butter. I think I used the Alikay Natural shea yogurt. So after I finished that, I twisted the hair, and then I put it into Bantu knots. Hi guys, so it's the next day. It was late, so I went in the mirror, finished my hair, and it's dry now. The next day, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it. So my final thoughts on this Fermented Rice Water Shampoo and Conditioner is, if I can afford, if I can afford to replace my current shampoo and conditioner with this product, I'll do it. Yeah, it's really good. I knew it was gonna be good because of the review on Etsy. On Etsy, they have really good reviews on there. So I was like, okay, this product is obviously a good product, but I did not expect it to have the ability to make my hair more manageable. I thought, okay, so I am getting into this whole rice water regimen to help grow my hair faster. So yeah, why don't I try a rice water shampoo and conditioner? You know, I would get the property of the rice water in it. That's what I was thinking, like, okay, it's a herbal shampoo, it's organic herbal shampoo, and I'm gonna get the benefits of using rice water, you know, in my shampoo and conditioner. But I did not expect it to make my hair more manageable. Type 4 girls, you know, not everything can make our hair so manageable that you can just kind of like detangle with it. And I was pleasantly surprised. Even the shampoo gave my hair the ability to detangle. Like, okay, so it was not like, it didn't feel like say when you add a slippery conditioner, it's like slippery. It didn't feel like that, but it kind of separated your hair and make your hair more like defined in a way. So it's easy to just kind of like pull your hair apart and detangle it with your fingers. It just made it more manageable. This shampoo right here, that's not ladder. So when you put in your hair, you don't really see that you put shampoo in it. It's just like, it looks like you put conditioner in it. You don't see anything, it doesn't ladder. But the soap, the fermented rice soap ladder. So when you put in your hair, you feel like you're actually like washing your hair. You get that feeling with this one. This one is more like nourishing. Alright guys, so I am at the end of the video. Let me know what you think. You know, would you ever use like a rice water shampoo and conditioner? Let me know. So if you watched the whole video or part of the video or a little bit of the video, I say we can link up. What do you say? What do you say? Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video, and like, comment, and share, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.